Do some moving.
She looks like she's kind of used to this.
She's kind of lazy.
I think it's from the babies.
She's never had babies.
But you know what?
Yeah.
She's well.
Yeah, she ain't much of an enthusiast, is she?
I mean, normally the females are supposed to be arm waving or something, or at least even head bobbing back, but she's not.
Well, maybe she's just submissive.
Maybe she would get off of me, please.
I want to go back.
I don't think she should watch it.
Mackenzie, do you know how a dog and a dog make babies?
Okay, let's not get into this while I'm videoing.
I mean, you should. It's not that you should be watching it.
No, a boy bobs their head
Yeah.
like that, and then a girl's supposed to go like that in a wave.
Oh, he's licking her. Oh, sorry.
Well,
Debo, go lay down.
Debo, go.
you're gonna get bit.
Big boy.
Also good. I was moving, Jenny.
Well, he lightened up, didn't he?
I'm afraid to stick my hand in there.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I would just stay out of that. Right. Oh my god, I saw one video.
I don't like the way
don't touch him, dear. I saw one video where there was a bearded dragon humping a piece of lettuce. It was hilarious.
Debo, sit.
Stay.
Oh boy, stay.
This is taking a while, jeez. Say what's up, baby.
It's funny because he was like, yeah.
As the dog just kind of thumbs out.
The dog's letting it vet, maybe.
Oh, he's going to do it so he can get closer and closer.
He's on Racky.
Look how tough I am. Look how tough.
Oh, did he just hiss at you?
No, I think it's just
Racky, stop whining.
Off how tough he is. I think we need another male so they can fight.
No.
No,
And a female.
we don't want them to fight.
Huh.
We're all friends.